All right, so now I want to look at the inequality for times the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 2 is greater than 6. Now, there's lots of ways that we can find this, the boundary points, but really what we're asking ourselves is where do the two graphs intersect? So you can graph these on Desmos and look for their intersection points, put this in as one y, and put this in as another y, and look for their intersection points. So go ahead and graph it on Desmos and come back, and let's compare our graphs. All right, so looking at your boundary points, we can see that there's two places where the graphs intersect, okay? So those two places, we look at the x value there. So I'm looking at the point, negative 3, 6. This negative 3 is my boundary point, and this 1 is my boundary point. It would be the same thing as if I did this from the previous problem, where we draw in that line that shows the boundary. So on my number line, I'm going to mark those boundary points. And I'm going to use open circles once again because my inequality sign is strictly greater than. It's not greater than or equal to. So we have two boundary points, and those boundary points are at negative 3 and positive 1.